Bobo chano Eden DUALE ururoko kwa sereli gotindi gochia sabo wabisabe KOENEKIA Pharmacy and Poisons Board abarachi ko bwatreni wa Abakurumi nigo barachi KOIMOKERIGWA EGETAMBOKERO getindi keli chiko okwana kurasa magacha manene ye KOENEKIA imiyomochio Nairobi DUALE nigaruro gochika gochia moteneneli okolika chi pharmacist KOENEKIA gochakira eikere bosio Abakurumi bonsi KOIMOKERIGWA bale EGETAMBOKERO.
I will be coming here. If the other ministers are not coming, you will see me very often here. But I use the mosque around here to pray. Every time I come to the mosque, I will pass by here.
Omwaziri we wizara yobochenu imeyense Eden DUALE kureire abobisa ba Pharmacy and Poisons Board abubara Abakurumi ase abatebirie enyimbo yabo nigereriko na nigo irachie kubasamba bororo.
So chairman and board members and management, you must fully comply with the law and take decisive regulatory action against any individual or entity that endangers the life, the health, and the safety of Kenyans. So if you don't want to implement these directives, then you have to look for another place. Any individual, any premises, any establishment, any entity which is involved in the distribution and sale of these illegal products must be arrested, prosecuted. Action must be taken against those in charge of those premises, but also against their directors.
Nigo aruro gochika gochia ase omobisa okorika abobisa ba Pharmacy and Poisons Board asege kagechi kibere chire mutwe KOENEKIA Abakurumi bonsi KOIMOKERIGWA bare EGETAMBOKERO kieri chiko asebo igatebire buna bari bonsi baguche gotoka bakonia mariogo batabwatetiri chiko chiduka chabo nigo chigo chiago siekwa.
In the next 2 weeks, the way Dr. Massimo Nangi of SHA is closing health facilities who are involved in fraud, you must, please have a seat. I must hear you closing pharmacists. You must close pharmacists who are involved in this thing. And I must get the list. If you want me to gazette, I'll gazette it with my signature. Yeah. Anybody selling Kenyans counterfeit, unregulated medicine and drugs, you not only deal with them and prosecute them, you must close that pharmacy.
Arenayo nigo DUALE atebire buna ikiombekio nigo kegochia gotinya obokoreri bwaye ase ogotumia chinchera chekerero.
So Pharmacy and Poison Board, therefore, under the Digital Health Agency, is expected to maximize the use of that digital superhighway to digitize all its core functions and operations. And these include several systems which are designed to support the Pharmacy and Poison Board end-to-end digitization. These include the National Logistic Management System, the Track and Trace System, where the drug given to the patient can be traced to the manufacturer, the licensing platform for all products and health services, the Quality Assurance Management System of Pharmacy and Poison Board, and to accelerate this process, the Pharmacy and Poison Board leadership should immediately establish a technical project team.
Gorpoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase omochio Nairobi irietariane Lenet Nyambane.